Basket.
Foul. Complete 3 points. I lead. Score 6-4. Yes. Number 04. Para Mida, tumira ng 3. Wala. Oliver. Yes, 2 points. Oliver. Score 10-4. Gamor. Kumarin Dumalo. Pass to second drives. Wala. Oliver put back. 2 points. 12-4. Lane. Ulit na Snatsky. Levar against.
Sedang
Yes, 14.
Kunin na pa. Nakakadaan. Saan? Baksot lagi. On.
Second, wala. Big rebound. Lim. 3 points. Lim. Pusa 14. Took. Shot clock 10. Malon. Pass to Levar. Pass to Magic Johnson. Kata second foul. Second team foul.
12-14 ang score lamang po ng Team Tacosa.
1 point. Live natin at saka highlights. Nandyan si Kuya Marcel. Black. Shot clock 10. Pakatang for 3. Wala. Foul by number 4. Malakas. 4 minutes. Yes, number 25, 3 points again.
15 all.
Score parehas. Number 32. Nice intercept by Pakatang, number 30. Pangilinan drives. Wow. Oliver. Shot by Oliver. Kamar number 25. Lim number 3. Pangi. Uwi na. pangawilan. Pangawilan. Foul.
Okay, 17-15 lamang po ng team Tacos ha.
Yes, 1 point.
Baramida.
Number 25 again. Big rebound by Olivar. Sagun drives. Yes, 2 points. Number 40. Sagun. Baramida. Shot clock 14. Number 25. Pass to Lim. Yes. Number 30. Pakata. Sagun. Yes. Magic Johnson. Big rebound by number 4. Kuha ni Sterling. Oy, kuha ni Gamon. Pangawilan. Yes, 2 points. Pangawilan. Olivar. Bobby kagad. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. Score 19-24. Pangawilan. For 3. Wala. Pass break again to Olivar. Bobby Gamor. 30 seconds. Baramida. Tulim. Meron 3. Wala. 20 seconds. Keep Malone. Pass to Olivar. Yes. 2 points. 5.
Wala na po. Tapos ng first quarter. Nice.
2 points. Number 10. Chuku. I4. 3 points. Number 10. Boy. Tapis ay mataas.
Pag ang bola. Ole.
Kuha ni Piddles. Pasabay. Piddles. Piddles. Pass to the manager Osman. Wala. Nice block. Maruho. Football. 2 points. Maruho. Score 23-29.
Set.
3 points. Number 04. Marohom, wala. 32, baliktaran.
Konting challenge pa.
Levar.
Go, go, go!
Magic Johnson. Oh. At 10 to shoot. Boy for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Pindals. Pindals, dire-diretso. Pindals, pass to Osman, the manager. Okay yan, good yan. Pindals, wala. Sebo, Rojo. Wala. Tapis, pass to Pindals. Wala. Pabalay bar. Lost ball. Shot clock 14. Tapis, wala. Fast break to boy. Is sleeping.
Bola! Ulit!
Mamalusa. Mamalusa pala yun.
Trace. Trip Mamaluso. Number 10. Score 36. 26-32. Lamang pa rin ang Takusa. Chuko ngayon. Good yan. Shot clock 10. Boy. Bolivar 5. Chuko. Wala. Kuha ni Pindals. Mamadali si Pindals. Number 10. Mamaluso. Yes. 2K. Kill Jordan. Bolivar. 6 minutes. Shot clock 10. Bigay kay Boy. Ay. 3 seconds. Kasama daw yan, sir. Kasama. Next game, Axon Nobel versus Dribbler. Marohom. Wala. Magic Johnson. Ay, dire-diretso. Basket count. 2 points. Olivar. Yes. 2 points. 36-28. Wow, Choco. Magic Johnson, dire-diretso to Boy. Wala. Olivar, Fonda. Supo. Ito tayo ngayon. Pedals, drives. Katayo lang. Olivar drives. Yes. 2 points. Olivar.
25. Moving the ball. Rizel. Foul number
Number 4.
4. Number 13. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 25. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. There's Rizel. Number. No good. Second try. Yes, sir. Number 18 control the ball. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 4. Zigzagging shot. No good. Rebound by number 23. Counted. Number 25 control the ball. Looking for an open man. Pass to number 10. There is a Weasel at traveling violation.
Family violation team Kobe. J Kobe.
Number 11. Or 18. And remaining 3 and 30 for the second half. Number 18. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 18 again. Pass to number. No good. Number 5. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Zigzagging. Shot. No good. Number 10 again. Number 10 again. Number 10 again. There's a whistle. Number 23. Zigzagging. Shot. No good. Foul. Number 15. Score is 29-42.
29
Favor
lamang po.
by Tagusa.
Same Tagusa.
First throw by number 23. Yes. Yes, sir.
Nice. Oliver. Jersey number 25.
Second try. Yes, sir.
Nice basket.
Two. Number 15. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 13. Shot. 3 points. No good. Rebound. Number 33. 14. Good. Number 10 again. 24. Sagi. 24. There's a whistle. Retro. First shot, no good. Second shot. Second try. Yes, sir. Up two. Number 18. Number 18. Sagi, number 18. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 23. Pinasa kay number 10. Pinasa kay number 23. Controlling the ball. Controlling the ball. Zigzagging. Shot. Good. Yes. Number 25. Number 13. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 13 again. Shot. Yes, sir. What a shot. 13. Violation. Number 10. Rolling the ball. Number 10. Sagging. Shot. Good. Rebound by number 20. Looking for open shot by number 23. Yes, sir. Counted by 23. Mera. Wala. Only number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Sinalaksak. Umigot. Yes, number 5. Timira. Yes. Count. Number 33. Pass to number 10. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Bitin. Bound in number 5. Pinasa kay number 15. Sinalaksak. Sinalaksak. May pito. Basketball counted. For the second quarter. Score is 48-36 favor of Tagusa. Wala. Bonus shot, wala. Number 33. 45. 40. Can to shoot. 30 seconds. Yes, sir. Count. There's a middle foul counted. By number
Ganda to. Edit mamaya.
3. Foul by number 13. Free throw, bonus shot by number 23. Remaining seconds for them. Seconds remaining. Bonus shot. Yes, sir. 14 seconds. Eight. 5. 4. 4 point. Three, two, one. Counted.
Backdoor ako, change court po. 50 yan, 40 yan po ang score. 10 points lamang po ng Team Tacos ah.
Pangawila. Pangawilan. Wala. Pangawilan pa rin. Wala pa rin. Big rebound by Boss. Foul. Number 32. And the shoot. 3 seconds violation. Bon Sabon, number 14. Pasto Gimalon, Pasto Levar. Jump shot. Wala. Panday Pangawila. Oy, nakuha. Magic Houston, Olivar. Yes. Two. Gamo for 3. Wala. Nakay. Ay, back to Zamira. To Sabon. Shot clock 10. Johnson foul number. Ay award ng si Mr. Sabon sa kanyang misis. Best player na agad. Hindi sa laro. Best player sa kanyang puso. Yes. 1 point. Abang ng Tracy ang Takuso. Paramida, Sulim, Pakata. Lucky foul. Number 4. Third personal foul. Number 4. Or third personal foul. Pangawilan. Pat. Sagon for 3. Wala. Pangawilan. Pangawilan. Dire-diretso. Foul. Pangaw 10 points lead. Kimalon, wala.
Mo. Come on naman.
Barabida for 3. Wala. Lakas,
Ang malakas. Lim.
Shot clock 10. Wala. Wow, some magic Johnson. Diretso drives. 32. Lumalayo. Ay, nice pass. Wala. Wala pa rin. Ang awitan. Third attempt. Wala pa rin. 10 to shoot. Mr. Lim for 3. Wala. Big rebound at number 32. Livar. Zigzagging. Oh, foul. Lying foul. Olivar, 1 point. Shot clock 10. Sagun. Olivar. 5 to shoot. Ay, nice putback but 15 points lead. Laman ng Kenzie ang Takusa. Kuha ni Lim. Ay, nice pass. 2 points.
Ay, lamang kayo, lamang. Huwag kayo ano. Tal quarter pa.
46-59. Wow, alley-hoop. 2-0-4. Nice play. Katang pass to Lim. Lim na yun. Okay. 3 minutes, 47 seconds. Marohong. Yes, 2 points. Nakuha ulit yung Baramida. Mahabol na sila ngayon. Mamaluba, wala. Pass to the manager. Ipalon. Asap. Baramida. Mamaluba, wala. Nauna ang gulang. Put back by Lim. 11 points lead. Wow, Olivar, wala. Big rebound by Marut. Konti na lang. Lim for 3. Pang-17 tira. Pumasok na rin. 3 points Lim. Ay! Olivar, wala. Points na lang. 8 na lang tayo. Wow. Receive. Olivar, dang! Wala pa rin. Olivar, 2 points. Reserve kayo dito. Dito tayo, ha? Sige, okay. Pagkatang for 3. Wala. Olivar. Foul. Pagkatang. 18 seconds shot clock.
Wala si Pango eh.
Olivar. Second for 3. Wala. Defensive rebound. Boy for 3.
Nice.
3 point. Number 14. And number 10. Tracy ulit. Ulit. Pangawilan. Yes.
Yes.
2 points. 11 points lead. 1 minute. 40 seconds. Johnson. Black. Foul. Foul. Pangawilan. Penalty. Asa. Asa dapat. Jason. Ay, klaro Jason. Jason. Ay, klaro Jason. Jason, that's Jason. Pangawilan, big rebound.
Tapis.
Pendas! Yes! Pendas! Olivar drives. Wow! Basket count. Foul. Mamalusa. Number 10. Foul. First time. Number 10. Kailangan pa rin ang bola. Wild boy. 10 to shoot.
Okay, taas yan.
5 to shoot. Good! Foul! Ay, ano? Ay, violation by Olivar. Indulge. Indulge. Yes, to you. 45 seconds. Magic Johnson, pass to Sagun. To Gimbalon. Gimbalon drives. Yes, 20 seconds. 71-59. Same ball. 26 seconds. Danilo. Yes, 3 point. Number 15. Sagon bumawi sa press. Yes, 3 points. Sagon. 5. 4.
Tapos na po until quarter. Good luck.
Tinira
Quarter
na
na
lang
po.
sana. Baka na-convert pa. Score 62-74.
Lamang po ang
Last
10
quarter na
tapos,
tayo. Next game, prepare.
Ay, sapatos mo!
Marunong wala. Look. Ano yung Olivar? Ay. O, kinda ng alakay. O, lakay. Olivar. Sembo. Yung gusto ng mga jersey, may jersey tayo sa likod. Ochuko. Sagon. Gusto Olivar. 10 to shoot. Olivar. Olivar. Sembol. Sembol. 4 seconds. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 to shoot. Good. Sagon. Dinadali. Olivar. Kuha. Mamalusa. Mamalusa. Dire-diretso. Blocking foul muna tayo. Lim. Pass to Pangawilan. Lim for 3. Wala. Lim on by number 32.
Kun.
Bautista pala siya. Bata pa yan dito, naglalaro na. Sagot. Drives, yes! 2 points, Mr. Sagot. Sagot, wala. Doon ang bola, doon. Dalawa na silang humatol. Score 62-6, Barohong. Wala. Medyo maalat-alat lang yung Dakofi ngayon. Bautista, derecho. Wow! Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound may Bautista. Sagot. Shot clock 10. 5 to shoot. Wala. Good. Good yan. Pangapitan. Derecho. Yes. 2 points. Bautista. Score 64-76. 7 minutes. 35 seconds. Shot clock 10. Wow, crossover. 5 to shoot. Bautista for 3. 3 points. 64-79. Pangawilan, Mamaluba. Jump shot. Yes, 2 points. Number 10. Mamaluba. The manager, Mr. Sagon. Derecho si Mr. Sagon. Nice block. Nice block. Patangkad si Marco. Meron ng 3, number 25. Wala. Big rebound by number 4. Kuha na Olivar. Olivar. Yes. Foul. Counted.
Nandun na upo. Ganda ng papapala. Wala na? Oo. Niloloko pala ako ng isa na yun. Sabi na, pwede daw yung ganun.
Foul number 04. Substitution. Substitution.
Okay lang, kaya pa yan.
Yung quarter na ito.
Wala lang isa.
66-81.
Wala! Score na.
Bird 04, apat na ha. Warning.
Sorsa ba?
Tenda ninyo, tumira ng tres. Wala. Kuha ni Pangawilan. 10 to shoot. Marohom. Wala pa rin. Mamaluwa. Yes. 2 points. 68-81. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Doon. Substitution. 5 minutes, 51 seconds.
Gusto nyo na mag-time out? Mag-reserve? Ano? Mamaya na. Okay.
Ito lang kayo sa table mag-time out, ha?
Kalma.
Himalon. Oh, magaling mag-dribble si Himalon. Shot clock 10. Grabe. Nakuha. Amaluba.
32.
Foul number 32, Bautista. Third personal Bautista. Tatlong foul na yan. Sa atin, 5 minuto. 15 segundo. Leg, wala.
Mahinag yun.
May na.
Huli, bola.
Advance na.
Maloba, derecho. Foul. Steal. Maloba ngayon. Turn around. Wow, big rebound. Foul. Beat that. Time out. Takufi. Time out.
Nice.
Both teams a time out. All Barracuda. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Sagot. Nahuli daw. Pendanillo. Derecho. Yes. To one. I won. Yes, 2 points to LeBron.
Maluwag.
2 points. Nice. Hey boy.
Ang tagal na nga nila dun, wala pang 8 seconds.
Bibilang, idol. Bibilang yung referee namin. Wala pa. Ano to, Ton? Natin.
Anti-session. Wala na dun.
Kaya ano bola? Save ball.
Shot clock. Walang
Save
matanggal.
ball.
Shot clock. Yun na.
Traveling.
Time up na lang na pag-play sa Lipat na sa iba mo ba? Okay na. Silaw. Wag muna. Kita.
Shot clock. Set. Pangawilan. Wala. Rebound. Nag-agaw pa. Walang tawag. Diretso kayo. Walang tawag. Yung Malone dumidiretso. Game Malone drives. Wala. Nice! Sa yes, 2 points. Seconds, 10 to shoot. Yung balon, 04. Wala. Good. Dito mama. Hindi umabot. Time out. Sabi. Last 2 minutes. Game Malone. Wow, foul. Pindown. Number 483.
Lumabas pa.
Ay.
Gamitin niyo yung oras. Shot clock.
Salam.
Game Malone second through. Wala. Baramida. Barangkas. 1 minute 45 seconds. 1 minute 45 seconds.
Nice.
14 seconds shot. 1 minute 35. Pinala niya yun. Shot clock 10. 5. The manager sample for 3. Wala. Gone by Pindos. Pangawila. Malusa. Maluba. Kalau levar.
Sure ball.
Maluba. Yes. Wala. 45 seconds.
Baba.
Players.
Baba, oy.
ingat lang.
Jamalun.
Lead.
Baba ka, Jamalun.
39 seconds. Same ball. Fifty-five to 24.
Busin nyo.
Oras, ubos na. 39.
16 seconds. Shot clock.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Wala na.
Good.
Good.
Good. Yan. Good yan.
Wala pa.
Sana.
Nice game. Na po.
Final
Win po ang
score. 85-74.
Yan po yung
Best player. Walang iba kundi si number 23, Oliver.
Pain po ang team Takosa po.
Nakalobo
Thank
ka.
you for watching. Like and share po yan. Masarap po. Yun. Jersey, wala pa? Apo. Oh, shout out po. Action Nobel. Good luck.
Archer ka kuya?
Ha?
Archer o ano club ka?
Archer po. Ay,